All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Cardano family. Appreciate you guys as always. We're going to talk about what's happening with ADA right now and, of course, what we could be expecting going into Thursday morning. And at the time of recording this update, we are approaching midnight. So when you guys are watching this update, we are already going to be approaching Thursday morning. But what a great day it has been for the markets, guys. And I'm sure you guys have been tuned in. If you do watch all my videos, I've been kind of keeping people up to date as to what has happened, especially meme coins. Meme coins have just gone crazy. Yes, I repeat, meme coins have gone absolutely crazy over the course of the last few hours. But anyhow, looking at data, it's up 6.8%. And of course, if you're comparing to the likes of, Peanut or, the likes of WIF, these moves don't seem to be much, but some of these coins have market caps much lower than the likes of ADA, so we need to keep that factor in mind. But yeah, guys, let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with Cardano's price right now. So if you're looking at the Cardano's price, 57.3 cents, up 6.6% in USD comparative, also up 3.7% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap back above $20 billion to be exact, $20.5 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about $2.26 billion right now as of recording this update. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I asked you guys, the community members, just an hour ago, and again, I'm sure we're going to see more votes come in by the end of tomorrow. It's just been an hour, but I ask, it's hard to process what we have seen in just 1 week. And yes, guys, it's literally insane to think about what we have seen in just a matter of a week. For the year of 2024, these moves that we have seen for some of these coins, breaking towards yearly highs, some even broke towards all-time highs. And that just kind of gives us a little bit of a hint as to how important this move really was and how important the US election was. What if I told you there has been people, and me as a content creator, I know that because I hear from people, there were some retail investors that just didn't want to touch crypto until the US election was over with. And here we are, the US election is over with. People are mad excited. And you can see, I asked, are you happy with your positions? And 151 votes have come in as of now. 58% are saying, bags are loaded, 33% wanted more, and about 9% saying missed out. Let me know how you guys think how you did in terms of your holdings right now. But anyhow, if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance right now, guys, Bitcoin dominance is obviously seeing a yearly high just a few hours back, but has seen a little bit of a pullback, over the course of the last few hours, which has given, some of these coins, a chance to move up even more. Look at the last 1 hour. We are seeing tremendous amount of green, across the crypto markets. And that just tells you everything you need to know as to how important the dominance really is for the markets. But some of these meme coins are not really caring about the Bitcoin dominance being this high. They're just going absolutely crazy over the course of the last 24 hours. And like I said, life-changing gains for some people. And if you are someone that is watching this update right now that has made significant amount of gains in just a matter of 1 week, and believe it or not, yes, there are some people's that's lives changed in just a matter of a week. If you're one of them, your boy Crypto ZX will remind you, and he will remind you every single time. Never forget to lock some profits in. It's never too late. It's always good to lock some profits in because profit at the end of the day is profit, no matter how much it is. So if you are sitting at some life-changing gains, guys, so you need to really understand it from a completely different standpoint. Some of these whales, some of these market makers are not going to be waiting for you to exit your positions. So lock some profits in and go enjoy your life. But at the end of the day, it comes down to you. If you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin did hit a new all-time high when we started off Wednesday morning. Since then, has seen a retracement, and the price has been bouncing at the support of the previous all-time high on November 12th, which was a double top, which is quite interesting to see. But, Bitcoin is still on the verge of breaking towards a new all-time high, guys. Extreme bullish momentum for BTC, and I wouldn't be surprised maybe at the time of recording this update right now, we're not obviously at an all-time high, but maybe when you guys are watching this update, we're already sitting at an all-time high would not come as a surprise to me at all, because what we're seeing happening with the crypto space is just insane. We need to look at it from this point of view. Over the course of the last, I would say 7-8 months, I would say more like 7 months, no, we saw boring price action for the crypto space, right? But not much interest from retail, and the people that were doing their due diligence and research and picking up altcoins or adding to their positions around that price point are the real winners and the ones that are up right now. And that just goes to show, do your due diligence research and invest what you can afford to lose. And there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. And I'm sure you have heard this statement on my channel quite some time. But let's take a look at what's happening with ADA right now. So first and foremost, as I've discussed with you guys, dominance has hit a new yearly high. And despite that fact, you're still seeing Cardano holding quite well. I'm going to be quite frank with you. Obviously, right now, you can see the price is holding above that key support. We actually did wick down to the 52 cents price point, but are able to make our way back above that major key resistance. And again, I don't really want to continue to remind you guys as to how important that key resistance really is, which is playing as a level of support right now. But great price action for ADA in terms of the way it's holding to this momentum that it has after having a significant bounce with the broader market. So far, so good. And I know I've already started to see some comments, people being frustrated because the price of Cardano is not reaching the likes of new yearly highs, and you're starting to see some of these meme coins going absolutely crazy, and the frustration just gets more and more. But you need to understand it from a realistic standpoint, right? Nothing's going to go up straight forever. There's going to be consolidations, and I gave you guys a perfect example from December of last year. We ran up all the way to the likes of 67 cents, retraced down to 45 cents before heading towards a yearly high. So these are some factors I will continue to remind you guys of, but let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame to really notice a little bit of a pattern playing out. So we've been pretty much seeing the price of ADA holding above this key support line at 57 cents. Really nice to see. Of course, you can come out and say, we broke below it a few hours ago, but that was due to Bitcoin. BTC did wick down to 85K, which of course is going to have that impact on the price of ADA. But you can see, we're really holding above that key support, and that is the most important thing to take away from this. Right now, yes, a little bit of less interest for some of these utility projects. You're seeing more of these memes flying right now, and we have seen something like this in the past as well. At the beginning of the year, late last year as well, we saw meme coins absolutely sending, and then you started to see some of these other coins following it. So we need to keep that factor in mind. But so far so good. Really liking how ADA is holding still above that key support. Obviously, we need to break out of the 65 cents price point in order for us to retest the 78.6 and start heading towards a yearly high. But you cannot forget, and I repeat, you cannot forget the ADA is up even after a little bit of retracement, 73%, and we're talking about the 10th biggest coin in the crypto space. So far, so good. Liking what I'm seeing. Have some stop losses in place. Obviously, have your exit strategies pretty much set in stone. But yeah, I like what I'm seeing here. We will obviously take it one step at a time, realistic, price movements rather than just worrying about when the all-time high is going to happen. First, you need to cross the dollar price point before we can start having some of these other conversations. But I'm really liking the setup. Love how ADA is holding, but I'll keep you guys covered. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.